Deep inside this forest disappears, but hidden beside this mountain stream is
The first challenge isn't digging, it's choosing the right place. The shelter needs solid ground, natural cover, drainage. The plan is simple. Keep the footprint small, keep the profile low, and use the landscape itself as protection. This won't be a giant bunker. It will be a hidden emergency shelter.
The ground is harder than it looks. Every shovelful has to be removed by hand. There are no machines here, just muscle, patience, and one.
Instead of fighting the forest, I'm going to work with it. Every useful stone becomes part of the shelter. Hour by hour, the shape begins to appear.
The foundation matters more than anything. If the first stones aren't stable, everything above them becomes a problem. Big stones will carry the structure. Smaller stones will fill the gaps.
One stone, then another. It feels slow, but every layer brings the shelter closer to becoming real. Small stones become the glue between the larger ones. But there's one problem. Out here, weather doesn't need permission. So I slow down. I reinforce the wall before going deeper. A shelter is only useful it remains standing when you need it. The entrance will be small, not dramatic, not obvious, just enough. For the roof support, I'm looking for naturally fallen timber. Nothing living needs to be sacrificed for this shelter. Wood has its own language. You can hear where the grain wants to split.
Each support is positioned carefully, creating a simple frame, strong enough to carry the natural layers that will come next. The roof is designed to blend into the superior.
From 20 feet away, you could almost miss it. Water is powerful, so the shelter must remain above its natural flow path. A simple drainage channel can make a huge difference. A survival shelter, it needs the basics. A dry place to rest, protection from the elements, and a way to stay organized. The entrance gets one final reinforcement, just enough structure to keep the opening stable. The final canvas from the forest itself, nothing artificial, nothing that screams, someone built this here.
The first drops hit the forest floor. Within minutes, the peaceful creek becomes a completely different world. This is the moment the shelter was built for. Not comfort, not luxury,